Hello everyone, this is Ray from Off Highway Van. Welcome to our next episode of Tech Tips. Today we're going to be going over your Maxxair fan system as well as your Nomadic AC system. For your Maxxair fan system, you have a few simple buttons that you can press to operate and use the fan. The first set of buttons are going to be your temperature control buttons. These temperature control buttons will go up and down, and that will regulate the temperature that the fan speed will go on. The next set of buttons is going to be your fan speed. The fan speed goes from 10% all the way up to 100%. I even recommend running the fan speed at 10% in the wintertime while you're running your heater to circulate things in your van. On the bottom right of your remote, you will see a circulation button. This button allows for air to go either in the van or out the van. The last button on the remote will be an auto button. The auto button allows you to preset your temperature and fan speed, and it will keep it at that fan speed until you shut off your fan. To shut the fan off, you'll have a button on the top left. Press that button and that will shut your system off. Moving on to your Nomadic AC unit, you'll see a skinnier remote. Your remote has a few different functions than the Maxxair remote. The first function is temperature. This is labeled T- and T+. Both sides will control your temperature. The temperature goes all the way down to 60 degrees and goes all the way up to 86 degrees. The next controls on your remote is fan speed. By pressing fan speed, you'll see a bar go up and down on the left side of your screen. This controls how quick your fan is going while being used. Under those buttons, you'll see presets. They'll be labeled A, S, E, and then also T and V. On the top right of your remote, you'll see a timer setting where you can set a preset amount of time and hours that you want to run your AC unit. All the same functions are located on your AC unit itself, as well as the screen to navigate through the remote. We appreciate you for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.